Aloha and welcome to this Tech in 20 series on blogging. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a post and a page in your blog. But before I do so, I kind of want to talk about what posts are and what pages are in your blog and what the difference is. So a post actually shows up in your blog in reverse chronological order. So if you're looking at right now, I'm looking at my blog, and in my blog you'll see I have this first post, which was posted on January 25th, 2013. And as you scroll down my blog, you'll notice that all of my entries are in reverse chronological order. So the most recent one will be at the top. So I'm going to scroll back up to my menu. I'm going to take you to a page. So a page, my About Me is actually a page on my blog. So the difference between a post and a page is a page just has static information. If I scroll down, you'll see that I don't have a listing of posts in reverse chronological order, but you will see that people are able to leave comments on pages, which is kind of a nice feature. So let's go ahead and go into our dashboard and into my dashboard, and I'll show you how to create a post and a page in your blog. So I've already logged into my blog. If I put my cursor over my name and I click on dashboard, it's going to take me into the back end of my blog on the left-hand side. And today I'm working on a Mac, so it might look a little bit different on a PC. But if you notice on the left I have this little menu. So I have pages here and I have posts. So I can just create a new post by clicking on Add New from here, but I like to actually click on the word post, because what it'll do is it'll take me to all of my posts that I've done. So again, I can create new right here, or I can add new up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add New. And I am going to create my test post. This is where the title will show up in your blog, and then this is the body of your post. So this is where all the information is. So I'm just going to type it in. This is where all the information is. Now you'll, oh, and you want to make sure that you spell everything correctly also. On the left-hand side, you'll notice I can give my blog a category or a tag. That's coming up in a later tutorial, but I think it's important to say that you can give your posts categories and tags, but you're unable to do that with pages, so that's another difference between the two. If I scroll over here on the right, I have a bunch of different options. So if I'm not ready to post if I'm not ready to make it public, so if I click on publish, I'm actually making it public on the web. If I save as a draft, I'm able to go and access it later. I can also change some other features here on the left-hand side as well. I can preview my post. So if I click on preview, this is what it's going to look like on my blog, but it's not necessarily posted. It's not public, but I can at least see what it's look like. So that's a nice feature, because sometimes it looks different on your blog than it does in this background. And then if I wanted to make it public, I'm just going to click on publish. And I've now published this to my blog, so I'm going to go check it out. Click on my name. Okay, and here's my blog, and you'll see that I've posted my post. But I actually want to delete it. So there's a couple of ways I can delete that. I can go into Edit here. And that's a nice feature when you're logged in, because a lot of times I know that sometimes I'll go and I'll reread and I'll find some typos. So it's nice to be able to just click on edit and edit from there. But remember, we can also, from our dashboard, if we click on posts, see all of our posts. And here is where I can just trash that post. So I can delete it there. Okay, so that's creating a post. Creating a page is pretty much the exact same thing. So I'm going to click on pages. It's going to take me to a very similar page where I have a list of all of my pages. I'm going to click on Add New. Okay, and I'm going to call this a test page. And in my body, I'm going to put in this is a test page. Okay, and then again on the right hand side I can save it as a draft. I can preview it. I'm just going to publish it. And then I'm going to go up here, I'm going to view my page, and you'll see this is what it looks like on my blog. So again, here's my little edit feature where I can go in and edit it there, but I'm going to go through my dashboard here to edit it. So I'm going to click on dashboard, go back to pages. Here's my test page. I'm just going to click on trash. And now it's gone. So that's it in a nutshell, how to create a post and a page in your Kamehameha Schools blog. I look forward to seeing you in another blog tutorial.